Do you want to know how to check your motorcycle oil? You've come to the right place. Hi, my name's David, and today I will show you how to check your motorcycle's engine oil. The state of the oil in your bike is an important indicator to tell if your machine is in mint condition. So let's get you up to speed on what to look out for when you're checking your bike's engine oil. Often the first thing that people check is the colour of the oil. The colour of the oil is important, but it shouldn't be the only indicator you're looking at. Check your owner's manual to work out what the recommended service interval is. Even a darker oil can still fit within the recommended time period. Generally speaking, if your oil looks a bit shiny and is semi-transparent, it's in good condition, even when the colour is a bit darker. Does the oil look milky? This could indicate that you have a leak and that the oil is mixed with other substances, like coolant or moisture, for example. You should really consult a mechanic to see if there's a bigger problem. There are two methods to check your engine oil. The first method is using the inspection window. Refer to your vehicle's manual to find out if your bike has an inspection glass and where it is located. Look through the glass and check if the oil looks a bit shiny and semi-transparent, which is generally a good sign. Then also check if the level is just under the upper marker in your sight glass. This indicates that the bike doesn't need a top-up. If your motorbike doesn't have an inspection window, then use the second method, which involves the dipstick. For both methods, you'll need to let your motorbike's engine cool down and let the oil settle back into the sump. Also, make sure your bike is parked in the right position, as is described in the owner's manual. And always, make sure to work in a safe environment. Wear gloves, and when working under your vehicle, always wear eye protection. Furthermore, you don't really need that many things. You'll be fine with Other than that, we're pretty much good to go. For more tips on your motorbike, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notifications. Check out our other video on how to properly refill your motorcycle engine oil. I'll put up the link at the end of this video. If you don't have a sight glass, the second method is checking your oil using the dipstick. Unscrew the dipstick and pull the dipstick out. Hold your rag close to catch any oil spills. Wipe the dipstick with your rag to clean it and put the dipstick back for now. Take a moment to check the condition of the oil on the rag. This oil is still in good condition, looking at the colour and the substance. Pull the dipstick back out. Now you'll have a clear indication of the oil level. The oil level should be between the two markers. At this point, you'll know whether you need to change, drain, or top up the oil to get to the right level. How often do you check your motorcycle's engine oil? Let us know in the comments. That's it. Whether you're checking your oil through the inspection window or with a dipstick, you need to check your oil regularly. And now you know how to do that and what to look out for. Did you check your oil level? Or need to change or drain your oil? Check out our video on how to change your motorcycle engine oil by clicking on the iCard in the top right corner. We have plenty more videos for you, so make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.